Welcome to IBC 2024.
Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models,
And network with over 170 countries right here in Amsterdam.
Well, we're here at the IBC in Amsterdam with allegedly the smallest broadcast camera in the world. Marco's here from Proton Camera Innovations. And Marco, how's the show going so far?
The show is going very good. We are very, very crazy and we're happy to be here this year.
And what exactly are you showcasing?
So we're showing the smallest broadcast camera in the market. It was a mini SDI camera with just 28 x 28 millimeters. And we are really creating new point of view shots in a very high quality.
What are you revealing at IBC?
At IBC, we're reading our camera ready to buy. After showing the prototype in Las Vegas, we got a lot of customer feedback. We really finished the product up, it's ready to order. And one of the biggest things we're showing you right now is people like really the size and the quality it, but they said, can you make it more endurance for outside? So we're introducing this time the Proton Rain, what gives IP67. And the really nice thing compared to other weather cameras is that we don't have a front cover glass. That means the camera itself is just a naked lens, what gives you more option in wide angle.
And there are uses outside of the broadcast industry too.
Yes, this camera is already used in very important productions. Unfortunately, I cannot talk about big sport events and these kind of things. They're really in production and we got really great feedback, especially compared to other solutions.
And what's next for you then? Because it's a very exciting time.
It is, and I mean, we are always trying to improve our existing ones. So there will be firmware updates with new features. We get constantly feedback. But the next step is definitely more resolution and more lens options. So everybody's asking for zoom, for example, so we're aware about that. But we don't want to reveal until we really know that it's ready.
And just describe your position in the whole industry today. How recognizable are you, do you think?
So I think mini cameras is really something special, but as at least my team and us, we are known for really working in this area. And I think even with our name, Proton Camera Innovation, I think we stand really for new things and for innovation in the market. Tell you what you need and we will do it.
What's the response been then from everybody passing by the stand?
Most people coming by, they just say amazing. And we are really happy, and I just give this back to my team, and they're really, really proud to be part of this, and they're really amazed about the size, quality, and the low power usage.
Marco, good luck for the rest of the show. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.